Hi, welcome. In this video, I'll be cleaning off the speaker. It barely can hear. The speaker is really soft when I turn on the loudspeaker. So more likely that the speaker has all the dirt, gets stuck, and it's time for a cleaning. I'll be using this mixture. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, so what is in here is pretty much is in the box. And according to step number 2, it says use the metal pin tip to clean off. Use it gently to remove the dirt from the phone speaker. This is the metal tip, and let's go ahead and kind of clean off a little bit, see what happens. Hopefully that way the speaker is returned to its normal volume. And right now, when someone calls, put it on the loudspeaker, I can barely hear them. So that must be one of the challenge when it's outside at a noisy place, especially like in a restaurant. Hardly can hear. So let's do some cleaning. Hopefully that works. Okay, I do see that there's still some in there. Of course, you can't 100% remove everything. Do your best. What I'm doing right now is just going them in circle and trying to just make it better. Okay, so that is done. See if I have the cleaning brush or anything like that. Okay, so that is the brush. This side is much cleaner compared to this, so let's work on this a little bit more. Both of them looks much better now. All right, since we are at it, I might as well just go and do some cleaning on the USB charging port. So this is like the little metal brush. I can see some of the dirt is stuck in there. So just go ahead and kind of scrub it, go back and forth. Some of the dirt just fall onto the paper. Give it a few blow at it, making sure it's all clean, dust free. I think that's pretty much it. All right, so again, if you're interested to get the cleaning toolkit, please check the link down in the description below. I'll link it to either Amazon or eBay directly. You can go ahead and find them. Cleaning tools, there's much more to clean. I mean, they do have for the AirPod, you can clean the AirPod as well as the lens for the front camera. So I think the lens is somewhat on this one here. Not too sure. Check it out. This is definitely for the AirPod charger. All right. Thanks for watching. I hope that this video helps, and bye now.